Hello, lovies. Welcome and welcome again. Grace and peace to everybody. My name is Miss Masao. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today we are going to be making our fish sauce. This is one of my favorite fish sauces. It's quite easy to make and I just wanted to share it with all of you over here. So please don't forget to like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. The list of the ingredients, I will put them in the description down below and the verse of the day. So let's get cooking. So into your cooking pan or a frying pan like me, you're going to be adding your cooking oil. Once it gets hot, you will add your onions that are nicely chopped. Then you're going to be stirring it around just until it wilts down. Once your onions wilt down, you're going to be adding your grated tomatoes. You'll stir them around and let them cook down. Once our tomatoes are cooked, we're going to be adding our spices. Now I added some paprika, some fish masala, some black pepper, and as I said before, all the list of the ingredients, I will put it in the description box below. Please make sure you check it out before you start cooking your fish sauce so that you might know what you need and if you need to increase the ingredients or you need to reduce according to what you're making. I'll also add some ginger and garlic herb paste, and it is the best herb paste from Pre-Generational Herb Paste. If you do want to check them out, you can actually DM me on Instagram or comment down below and I'll absolutely plug you because I don't want you to miss on any goodies here in my kitchen. After 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our tomato paste, and my tomato paste is from Red Gold, mind you. This video is not sponsored by them, but you know, Red Gold, if you want to holla at your girl, you know. Yeah, so we are going to be adding our tomato paste. Then we're going to be stirring everything around. At this point, make sure that your heat is medium to low because you don't want to burn your spices. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our carrots and our bell pepper. I used green, but you can use any kind, red, yellow. You can even mix them just to your preference or to your liking. And then I'm going to be stirring everything around again. Then I'll go ahead and add in my Royco mchuzi mix. What I usually do is I take my Royco. It usually comes in a powder form. I put it in a bowl and add in my hot water and just stir everything around so that it can come into a liquid form. And then add it to whatever it is that I'm making at that particular moment. And when I was staring at this stew or this sauce at this point, I wanted it to have a little bit more stew to it, so I went ahead and added more Royco mchuzi mix. And once again, Royco hasn't sponsored this video, but I just, you know, I just use it. One thing that I've noticed with Royco is that it actually makes your stews thicker and adds plenty of flavor. Then I went ahead and added my oyster sauce. I mean, I love me some oyster sauce, you know. I can just, yeah, it's a staple in my kitchen. And then I went in and just stir everything around. I was actually scraping the bottom of the pan because, you know, that thing that looks like it's burnt, it's not burnt. It's actually everything, the goodness of this stew is actually down there. So I usually scrape it out and just combine it. Then I went ahead and added in my fish. Now this fish is actually fried, and I did cut it into small cubes. Then I went ahead and fried it. So yeah, actually at this point you're just going to be stirring everything around. You can use any kind of fish that you like. This is, I think, I don't know, people call it tilapia. Yeah, so I went ahead and just mixed everything and just let it cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes at low heat. Lastly but not least, I went ahead and added in my salt, and this is usually my last step because I add lots of spices, and as we all know, spices do have salt to them, so I usually add my salt at the end. And once I add my salt, I let it cook for at least 3 minutes. Then after that, my fish sauce is actually ready. This fish sauce was banging. When I tell you this fish sauce was it was actually the fish sauce. We had our fish sauce with some crepes, and it was so good. You guys, you have to try this fish sauce. You have to try this recipe, and comment down below if you actually tried it, or if you're actually planning on trying it, because I do know that people do look at food videos and they don't cook. They just look and then they don't go ahead and cook. But if you're planning on cooking it, please let me know in the description box, in the comment section. And if you have actually tried to cook it, let me know in the description, in the comment section. See you next time, lovies. Bye bye.